Thank you for purchasing SG-01-SK, the state-of-the-art ZigBee wireless smoke detector. In this video, you will learn how to join the detector to the parent device. Part 1. Joining ZigBee smoke detector to the parent device. Open the backlit of the detector. Mark the installation date. Install the battery to the detector, or connect the power supply to the detector. Power on the parent device next to the detector. Press the parent device's S1 link switch once. Within the next 60 seconds, the parent device's LED will flash twice every 3 seconds, permitting new devices to join in. The detector will link with and join to the parent device. When the detector has joined to the parent device, the detector's green LED will flash 3 times, and the detector will be added to the monitoring software. If the detector cannot join to the parent device, reset the detector by pressing S1 link switch for up to 5 seconds. Press the parent device's S1 link switch once. The detector will join to the parent device, and the detector will be added to the monitoring software. Your environment is now safer with the detecting power of ZigBee wireless smoke detector.